welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lucy Baby, morning vlogger based in Italy. So guys, today is our open market, bought a lot of things. I say let me show you all what I bought. You have been long, I made sit down video. Yes. How you all doing? I hope everything is okay. As for me, we are okay. So guys, stay tuned, watch this video to the end. My children they are in the school. Baby Alice is now sleeping in the school, till 4 o'clock. So right now I'm free. So guys, don't mind my tummy though. It's like I'm on Mobago. When I from Ghana, it's busy. They got for give me 2 or 3 months. So guys, watch this video to the end. So over here I bought this. Like I will start. No, let me start with this. I don't know whether you'll be seeing it very well. This one is for baby Alex. I have the one that he used when he's small. I've already got it out. So I bought this 4. You have like 5 years in the school, but I decided to bought another so that I will be changing it. A Pip Babalino, a Manjaro Sport. So that is the first thing that I bought. Then over here I have my bra. Open market, bra. I bought it to black and the white. And the pants. I don't have to show you all this one. And I now bought this stockings for Alex. They call it Kasachi. They also have weight so that you can't fall when he's playing, They call it Kasachi. All this for school. Then over here I bought this earring. This earring go with this top. So, and guys, I went to my friend. She's a China, but she says stop. Nice dress, And I bought this skirt. Let me stand up and show you. I bought this skirt. They call it princess skirt or whatever. I bought this skirt. I just love it. Don't worry, when I will wear it, I will also make a video. And I bought this shirt. Something like satin. Very possible. Can you see it? Wait. Very possible. And here you have this bead. Can you see it very well? It's very nice. This one go with this, Then I also bought this top, this paper. I will wear it together with this skirt and the shirts. So that is it. Then over here, okay, here is done. It's done here. Then over here I bought this, check out. You know, I love when I wear something like this, like mm, top like this with low neck. I love putting this thing on top. And it's very fine and possible. And I also bought this paper. I also bought this paper. And no code is coming. I don't worry, by the time I will be rocking this my dresses, I will be also making video, I normally make video for Instagram or TikTok. Like now my TikTok is I'm thinking that I'm growing now in my TikTok because before I don't even understand that TikTok. So here I have the portable bag. I love it. I love it, guys. Check out the bag. Check out. I love this bag. But where I bought this bag is shop, not open market. But I bought everything that you see here today. Can you see? And it's a marker. I don't know if you can see the name. I don't want to show off too much. So there it is. Check out. I love the bag. Then I also bought another bag. I will call it purse. Like check out the bag. You like? You can wear it like this. I normally love a small bag, But the other thing, I will put it in a big bag, in his bag. Then I'll just carry my bag. It's portable. I love it. You can also hang it like this, So I bought 2 bags. So I don't know, I had this track. Is it track? Yes. My daughter have it also. Like check out. I don't even remember what NJ called it. Guys, if you don't know, write it in comment section. So like this. Then I saw what the jacket. I think this jacket go with this bag, but I'll be wearing it jacket with this, Can you see it? Because they hang it together, this track and this jacket, But I think this bag will match it also. No, it doesn't go with it. So there it is. So that is all the things that I bought in our open market, and then my bag is in the shop, Here they have a lot of things. It's a small city, but in the shop you can, if you don't want to go to more than aware, Zara and all these academic, you can also. I love this bag so much. So guys, let's just how you all are doing. I hope everything is fine. It has been long that I it has been long I did see that video. So this is a 12:30, 1 o'clock I will go on now and cook, prepare lunch for my children, So guys, that is it. Guys, I don't know whether you all small YouTuber like me have noticed all these things I'm noticing in YouTube. You know, I don't know why. When we make a video, put in our YouTube channel, the video don't normally go. You know, the way I'm seeing other people. I'm not talking about big YouTubers. I don't know how they reached where they are now. Subscribers is growing little by little, but viewers, to get viewers, I don't know whether is YouTube doesn't see our video. Why they are not pushing our video? At least in a month, if you are not doing a nice video or good quality video, at least in a month, even one video, you're supposed to push one video to go viral. You know, short, see, short, they are doing well in short. You know, if I upload short, I'll be getting immediately 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, depend. You know, but why normal video? Why? These people that I'm seeing, all these big YouTubers, how are they doing it? Are they using any app to promote their video? I'm thinking, and I'm asking someone to answer me, because he's getting, I'm annoyed. Eh? If it's going like this, you can't even continue making video, publishing video. Eh? How are they doing it? Oh my, I prefer they use a promote their video. Oh, someone to answer me. You know, it's too much. For how many years now? If you upload video without sharing it anywhere, do you know that the next day, if you see 20 viewers or 30 viewers, they're a big YouTuber. Let me put it in this. Without sharing it anywhere, just upload video. 2 days, you are saying 50, highest 50 viewers or 60. What is happening? What is the problem? I don't understand. Eh? Not that we are not doing well. We are doing well in videos, making video, you know, or background. I don't really understand. I'm getting tired. That's why I said, let me come and share this my problem. It's my problem to you people. Eh? What are we going to do? Eh? If you was that they're balloon, a Indian on YouTube, a YouTube man and there, and they exist. Eh? And they try you. And they know that others are trying, but it's annoying. Let me say it. You know? So guys, that is it too. Today I will be doing today I think this video it will not be only this video. I will also join video on it, so that the video will be a little bit long. So that is it. Thank you all for staying with me. Thank you all for subscribing to my channel. Please, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Let me stand up. Okay? Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. I'm begging. I'm pleading. Subscribe. Watch my video. Watch my advert. Yeah? Please. Promote me. If you're a big YouTuber, passing by, see this my video. Please. Promote me. Promote Lucy Baby Family TV. The only mommy vlogger based in UK. What am I doing for? So that is it. Thank you all for staying with me. Stay tuned, continue watching this video. Love you all and God bless.